Hi folks, it's Moz here in my den, and yesterday I had the opportunity of talking to a chap who's involved with a new company called DBMK, and they've announced a 1/32nd scale Hawker Sea Fury that's in development with them and hopefully could be released this year. And I thought I'd get this video out of this interview, and then tonight on Airfix and Chill we're going to talk about, is 1/32nd scale the new 148? Anyway, let's get to the interview about this fantastic looking Hawker Sea Fury in that 1/32nd scale, and it does look great. I've dragged images off the website and off their Facebook page and taken images of this model. It's a prototype, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Right then, so I've just come up to this table here from the So-So Modelers, IPMS South Somerset, and on their display they've got this new Hawker Sea Fury in 1/32nd scale by a company called DBMK. So I've got Steve here and he's going to just tell us a little bit about it.
Well, this one here, we've been working on it for a couple of years now.
Yeah.
Will is the brainchild behind the company with Ilya, and they've basically seen the gap in the market and wanted to create something for the British market with the Sea Fury.
Brilliant.
This is just the first test shot, so there will be changes to come, and I've just been asked to put it together quickly to show everyone and hopefully change some engineering in places to make it fit together a bit better, but for a first test shot it's outstanding.
Brilliant. So DBMK is a UK based it's an enthusiast of scale modelling.
Yeah, it's definitely a passion project.
You've gone for the 1/32nd scale, which is very much like Qatari, etc. Will we get the same sort of detail and ease of build that you would have had with the Qatari this one?
I think that's definitely the plan.
That's the plan, is it?
Yeah.
Fair play. How long have you been developing it for?
I remember scanning the real aircraft at Navy Wings in Yeovilton with Luke from Airfix, now Ravel.
Okay.
And Will, maybe 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, we did the scans.
Yeah.
So, you know, they've got all the data to start from, and a lot of enthusiasts helping out with more details. But
it does look absolutely fantastic. I don't know, as I'm looking at it now, it looks like the seams and everything seems to be pretty well lockable. Looks really, really nice. So it comes with a 5-bladed propeller, but you want about doing a 4-bladed one as well for the engine?
The Centaurus would have run on a 5-bladed prop.
Yeah.
Based on our aircraft at Yeovilton, we're changing over to have a Pratt & Whitney engine, 2800. So that runs off a 4-bladed prop from a Skyraider.
Will this come with an engine?
It has the front face of the engine that you can see through the front air intake. Not air intake, you know, the shroud around the prop. Yeah. But there's no reason in the future it couldn't come with a 3D printed engine, or, you know, that isn't in the CAD at the moment. Okay. But is there a website we can go to have a look at this, or is there anything? If you search for DBMK, anything along those lines will come up on Facebook.
So you're basically, this is your first ever model you're building, DBMK.
It's the first kit they've ever brought out.
Produced. So. Amazing. Any decals or any schemes?
Yeah, it'll have three different schemes. I think there's the Fleet Air Arm, there is the Navy Wings aircraft, VR930, which is the one we look after, and I think there's an Australian scheme as well. Fantastic.
Well, I wish you good luck with it. So there you go, 1/32nd scale. Is that the scale to produce model kits with? Because Qatari started off with the Spitfire, then they did a BF109, and they've announced the Hurricane. So this one here sounds interesting. A lot more work to do with this the Sea Fury, and hopefully it'll be on our benches soon. Anyways, thanks for watching. A new scale model company that's on the block, and they've gone for this Sea Fury again, like they said, it's a passion project. But is this the sort of kit you would want to buy and build? Leave it in the comments below, and let's have a debate about it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Bye-bye.